Okay.
Reset is providing the elements, sorting, and it will give back to us. Okay.
Okay.
So now you see that every time X, Y, Z, A, these all string, right?
Yes.
Okay. Say for instance, I created a class called student. Class student. Okay. Inside that, I am adding two fields: name, age, and I will add next one is integer age. Okay. I created two fields, and now I'm trying to create an object for student.
Okay.
Student s equal to new student. So this is the way to create an object for s, right?
Yeah.
Okay. After that, what I'm trying to create a constructor inside the student class.
Okay.
How to create a constructor? Generally, constructor should have same name as class name, right? Okay, but I want to create a constructor with these two arguments, argument constructor.
Okay.
Okay, how to create? Like how to create student. After that, open
Okay.
bracket, close bracket. Then I had to give here
Yeah.
age, integer, age,
Integer, comma, and then
comma, string,
name.
name, and I want to assign this value to this age and this name. So here age, these both two variables are same, right?
Sorry.
These two variables are same inside age, name. These variables and these variables are both are same
Yeah.
variables.
Same in a sense. Actually, you were talking. Both are different variables, but
Yes, variables.
yeah.
Variables
But
are same. Okay, let's suppose I want to assign age equal to age,
okay.
name equal to name. So I
Okay.
don't know I'm assigning which age to which age. I'm assigning, I don't know, this age to this age or this age to this age. I don't know.
Okay.
So to differentiate purpose, this dot age, this means current class objects. So this means these two fields.
Okay.
This age means this age.
Okay.
When without this means this one.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the purpose of this. So now I have to pass the here 12 comma ABC. So I created one object, student object, and now what I want to do, I want to add the student object to trace it. Trace it, what it will do, it will sort the elements, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So let me try to run it and we'll see what I will get. So here I'm getting class cast exception. Why? Because so these elements are string, right?
Yeah.
And these are SCs of type student.
Yeah. Student is combined, integer and string.
Yes, like both are. It's a different data type. These are string and these are student. Different data types. So different data types we are not able to sort it out, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we are getting class cast exception.
Right.
If it is all students, we can able to sort it. If it is all string, then we can able to sort it out.
Right.
If it is mixed, then we are not able to sort it. Then we will get class cast exception. This is runtime exception.
Yeah.
So to fix that one, what we have to do? So we have to create all students object, and then we have to add to trace it.
Okay.
So basically, we need to add a similar kind of data type.
Yeah.
So then we can able to sort it out.
Right.
Okay, so now the problem is solved. Now the second problem is, so inside the student there is two fields is there, on which field we need to sort. We need to sort it based on age, or we need to sort it based on name. So again second problem.
Yeah.
Okay, to solve this problem we have another approach. What I will do, I will create a separate class and I will fix these issues. One issue is similar kind of data type, and second one is we need to figure out a field name, on which field we need to sort it out. We need to sort it based on age, or we need to sort based on name.
Yeah.
So that is the issue. Okay, what I want to do, I am trying to create a new class. Tree
Okay.
set manager. I'm trying to give class name as a tree set manager.
Okay.
You got that issue, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here in this class, I want to create a class called student.
Okay.
Sorry. So this is a simple class of a student type. So inside that integer age and string
Name.
name. After that, I want to create a constructor. So generally how we are creating constructor, every time we are typing, right? So there is a shortcut is that to create a constructor. Just right click and go to source. See here there is a method generate constructor using these fields. Just select that one and select how many fields you want to make as an argument as part of constructor. I selected 2 fields, then click OK. So the constructor will generate by default.
Right click, no?
Sorry?
Right click and then go for it.
Yes, right click, source and
Oh,
generate constructor using these fields.
okay, got it.
Okay, fine. Okay, so far it is good, right? So
Yeah.
now I want to create a object for student, sorry, tree set class.
Yeah.
Okay, super interface of tree set is set, right?
Yeah.
Set. Yesterday we saw that one. Okay,
Mhm.
TSCT equal to new tree SCT.
Yeah.
And let me remove this one. And I need to import the set interface. Okay, why? Because why assigned to set means set is super interface of tree set
Trees.
class. So I can able to assign subclass to super class, right?
Yeah.
So that is the fund I used and I assigned it. After that, I want to create student objects, multiple students object. Student S1 equal to new student. So I need to create an argument. So I have to pass these values, right?
Right.
So one student age is 20 and his name is ABC.
Okay.
Okay. So one student is ready. And similar way, I want to create 3 students object. Okay. Another student object is age is 16 and his name is XYZ. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And another student age is 27 and his name is PQR.
Okay.
Okay, and I need to change the variable name student S1, student S1, S2, S3. So basically I created 3 students, right?
Right.
So now I want to add these 3 students to preset.
Okay.
S1, S1, after that I want to add S2, after that S3. So far it is clear, right? So I created 3 student object and 3 students object I added to set.
Yeah.
Okay, so after that I want to display this one TSCT. So if I will display this one, right? So it should display student at the rate of hexadecimal. Why? Because I have not overridden the toString method, right?
Yeah.
So if I want to see these values, I have to override the toString method,
Right.
right? Otherwise it will display class name at the rate of something.
Yeah.
Okay, we will see that one also. First let me run it and we will see if it will run successfully or not. So it is telling class cast exception cannot be com.student cannot be cast of type comparable. So this is an issue. This is a class cast exception. What it's telling, so if you are adding any elements to the set,
There
okay,
is a that's a data.
so it should be of type comparable. So that this is one basic rule. If every element, whatever you are trying to add, it should be comparable type. But yesterday we added string, right? We didn't get any issue. See, here also we added, but we didn't get any issue, right?
Uh,
Tree set we added string. Did we get this exception?
Actually, in the last days when we added the ABC, and then it's getting issue because it is the different data
Yeah,
types.
that is correct. And in this case, there is no different data type, similar data type only. All are strings.
Yeah, there was no
There
problems.
is no problem. But here also all are same data type, right? But it is getting the issue. What is the issue? What is the problem, So it is telling whatever elements you are adding, it should be of type comparable type.
Okay. So here actually two data types, integer and the string. So is that the main issue?
No, no. So see here, so here everything is string, right?
Right.
Okay. Let me open the string class. So this is a string class. So string is a class, right? String implements comparable.
Yeah.
So string is already implementing the comparable interface. So
Okay.
that's what you are not getting any issue. But our class, right, whatever I am trying to add, student is not implementing the comparable interface. So
Yeah.
that's what we are getting the issue. So what I will do, I will implement the comparable interface. So comparable interface. Okay. So this is an interface. It is available in this package, java.lang package. Okay. So this is an interface. Inside this interface, there is a method called compare. So we have to override that method. Got it, right? So this is an interface comparable, and this interface is available in java.lang package, and inside this interface there is a method called compare to. Okay,
Okay.
we have to override this method.
Okay.
Okay, so now we need to implement the compare to implementation. Okay, so here now the question is, the second problem yesterday what we discussed, today. So on which field, on here two fields is there, by considering which field we need to sort the students. That is the second issue, right? We
Right.
need to sort the students based on age, or we need to sort the students based on name.
Right.
Okay, for time being I want to sort the students based on age.
Okay.
Okay, so how to sort it? Okay, first, right here we have an object, so we need to cast it to student type. So if you want to compare two students, right, it should be similar data type, then only you can able to compare, otherwise you are not able to compare, right?
Right.
So that's what I'm downcasting to student is equal to new student of param t. Okay, after that I want to take the difference. This dot, sorry, this dot age minus s dot age. Okay, that's all. This is the implementation I done, and I have to return the students age difference. I have two students now. This is current student, and this object, right, what I'm trying to create here, this I will give as an input. So I have base one student object, and I will give another student object, so that I can able to compare two students, and then I can able to see the difference of age.
Okay. I think I lost somewhere else actually. Okay. First thing is that actually, when you run and then you cannot get the result because it's not comparable.
Yes, correct, yeah.
In a
Now,
sense of
mm,
the things that student cast the what is
data
called
type.
that data type is comparable. So then you have to write the implement comparable. Okay.
Correct, yeah.
Then you write the method. So this method is automatically coming, or you have to write that
So
public integer.
this method is part of comparable interface. We are implementing that one.
Okay. Okay. When you are writing the comparable, so
Mm,
then the public integer compare is coming automatically, or you have
correct.
to
It will come automatically. It is there inside the, what is a comparable
comment.
interface, right? So we have to override it. We have to implement. We have to provide the implementation.
Okay.
Okay, this is the implementation.
Yeah. So here student as equal to student in the first bracket. So
Okay.
is it the logic or something different?
So yeah, what is the logic? So if you see that comparable interface, so this is the interface. So there is an abstract method here.
Okay.
Okay, abstract of t type. T means basically, where is the word class? Yeah. So it's an object. Object means it is a superclass of all classes. right?
Okay.
Okay. So by default, you mention object as a parameter, then you can downcast to your own object, whatever object you want.
Okay.
So all the classes, whatever we are creating is subclass of object class, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm going to downcast to my object, student, similar data type.
Okay.
Okay, after that, I'm trying to compare the age difference.
Okay.
That's all. Okay, now I will run it and we will see the results. Now it's successful and there is no exception. Then it's displaying com.set.student at the rate of. Why? Because I have not overridden the toString method in student class, right?
Right.
So that's what I'm saying, that hexadecimal address, right? You got it right?
Yeah.
So now what I will do, I will override the toString method. So how to override the toString method? Just right click, go to source, generate toString. Just select all the fields and click OK.
Okay.
So whenever I'm printing this object, now it will display student, age, name, all those things. So now let me run it again. Now it's not displaying hexadecimal address. See, we will see the results. So now what is the age of first student? 16, right?
Mhm.
And second student age is,
20 and
and third student is 27. So it is in sorting order, right?
right.
It is in sorting order. Let's suppose you want to display the student's age in a reverse order.
Okay.
Now it is displaying in sorting order. Let's suppose you want to display in ascending order, descending order.
Okay.
So for that purpose, what you have to do? So whatever logic you are writing here, this dot age, we have to change this logic to reverse.
Okay. So the reverse keyword I have to put just
Reverse means either
reverse
you
keyword.
have to keep either minus. This is one logic.
Yeah.
Just keep minus and run. We will see how the results look like.
Yeah.
So
It's
now what is the maximum? 27, 20, 16. It's in descending order, right?
right.
So this is the way we can able to sort the elements by using comparable interface.
So if you put the minus, okay, suppose if you put the reverse, then what happened?
Reverse, there is no keyword basically. Reverse means just I told we need to sort it out in a different way. That's what I told, reverse.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we need to keep, if we keep minus, then it will display, it will sort the elements in a descending order. By default, if you remove the minus, then it will sort the elements in ascending order.
Okay.
Okay, and tree set. So whenever you are adding any elements to the tree set, it should be of similar data type, either string or numbers or students. Okay,
Okay.
and of type comparable. So
Okay.
whenever you are adding string, there is no issue because string is already implemented the comparable interface, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So we saw that one, string string. This is a string, and string is already implemented the comparable interface.
Okay. If I want to see, suppose just how can I see this string classes? Just you
Oh,
can right click.
Control Shift T. You will get this dialog box.
Okay.
There you have to type string,
String.
and
So
string is there inside this package, java.lang package. Just select it.
so is it going to the library actually?
Yes,
Java.
go to the library and it will select this class. So when you are trying to install the JDK, right, that time there is three checkbox I told you, right, initially: demos, source code.
Yeah.
So if you select that source code, then only you can able to see this code.
Okay. Okay. Suppose at that time I only select the one thing, otherwise it's unselect. So it's not coming. It will not come.
It will come, but you are not able to see this code. It should be in like this. Let me open out. Let's suppose you have not selected it will display like this.
Oh, so I have to uninstall and again reinstall the things.
Yes, if at all, if you didn't selected that source code option, you have to uninstall and install the JDK.
Okay, yeah, got it.
If you want to see the source code of JDK, then you have to select the checkbox. If you didn't select it, it will display like this: source code not found.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so this is clear, right? The tree set and how
yeah.
to.
Actually,
Uh,
yeah. What happened? I'm getting clear because
uh
uh, somehow maybe.
Yeah, you need to practice it one or two times so that it will be clear.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Now we'll go to some other topic. Okay, and list set. So far, every time we are adding one element, right? One element, one element, one element, right?
Yeah.
So let's suppose there is a another field, I mean another package. Let me create a package com.map. Okay, I created a different package com.map. So inside that, I want to create a new class called map manager.
Okay.
Map manager. Okay, just I created a new class map manager and just a simple plain method. Okay, so far there is a requirement. Just assume I want to add a key pair values like a 10 name XYZ. Okay, 10, 13 PQR, 14 some CTR. So I want to save an elements like this key pair. This is the key and corresponding value. This is the key and corresponding value. This is the key and corresponding value.
Right.
So this is my requirement. So
Yeah.
key pair. So if I say 13, you have to tell PQR. So
All
if I
right.
say 14, the corresponding value is CTR, like that. So how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, inside the collections, there is an element called map. So map is an interface. I'll show you. Control Shift T, MAP, map. Java.util. So what is this? Control Shift T, map. Oh, it's not finding. Okay, that's fine. Let me import it. Map. So this is the map interface. So this is an interface and it is available in this package, java.util package. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know, somewhat it's not opening the source code. That's okay, that's fine. Okay. So this map is implemented by three different classes. So one class is HashMap. HashMap. Okay. So map is an interface. Okay. And HashMap is a class.
Okay.
HashMap is implemented the map interface. The HashMap is a class, right? You can able to see this class, right?
Yeah.
And it's implemented map.
Yeah.
So map is a super interface.
Right.
Okay. So now as I said, I want to add 12 as a key and corresponding value, 13 as a key and corresponding value. So inside the map, there is some methods called put. So inside the map, there is a method called put, and the first value is key 12, and the second value is value. What you want? I want to add X, Y, Z.
Okay.
Okay, and I want to add another element map dot put dot sorry, and first value is key. Key is 13, and value is PQR.
Mm.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
So first value is key and second value is value.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to add another key called 14 and value is CTR.
Yeah.
Three keys and three pairs.
Okay.
Okay. Done. So now I want to display these values. How to display? Just I write sysout and map. So inside hash map, toString is already overridden. So this is a toString. See, it's already, they have already implemented. So that's what we can able to see the values. It will not display map at the rate of hexadecimal, right?
Okay.
Okay, let me run it and we will see the values. See there. So already displaying 12 equal to XYZ and 13 equal to PQR and 14 equal to CTR.
Okay.
So we are getting values like this. Key pair. So this is one key pair and this is second one and this is third one.
Right.
Okay. And the second thing is hash map, right? So let's suppose, say for instance, I am adding 14 again. So two keys are duplicate keys here, right? 14 and 14.
Right.
XCTR2, CTR2. So key are same and values are different here, right?
Right.
14 is 2 times and CTR and CTR2 values are different. So let me run it. Did you see anything here? Any difference? How many key pair it displaying?
Actually, one is missing.
One is missing. That missing is duplicate one. So if you are adding key as a duplicate, so it will override always. First you added 14 and CTR. After that you are adding again 14 CTR2. It is considering the last one, latest one.
It is true. Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So basically key must be unique.
Yeah.
Value can be, you can give anything. There is no issue.
Okay.
Key must be unique.
Right.
So this is one feature, hash map. Okay, let me go back. So let's suppose I am trying to add null as a key and value as a some. I will add value must be similar. You can add value doesn't, for value there is no rule. You can add same value or different value.
Okay.
So key must be unique. Let me run it. So null also it is taking as a key, right?
Yeah.
And did you notice anything here? Did order is displaying any manner, any sorting or order is
Yeah.
displaying as a some
All the things actually null come first, then go usually 12, 13,
it's
14.
changing unexpected order.
Yeah.
So this is second feature. So null key must be unique and key may be null and order can be unexpected.
Okay.
So these are the features of hash map. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want order as the same as what I had given. So for that purpose, what I had to do, there is another map called linked hash map.
Okay.
So let me create that linked hash map and we will add some elements. L map equal to new linked
Mm.
hash map. So this is also same kind of hash map, but the difference is here. So whatever the elements you are adding, the order will display same as it is. So that is the only difference between hash map and linked hash map. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I will do, I will run it and we will see the results. See there. First what I added 12, right? 12 XYZ added. After that what I added
13, 14.
13. After that 14.
And
14 is 2 times repeated. So it is taking only one,
yeah.
latest one. And last I added null equal to CTR.
So that means that linked hash map actually creating the order as we added.
Yes, correct. Hash map
Okay.
will give and some random order.
Random order.
Okay, so that is the difference between hash map and linked hash map.
Right.
Okay, now there is another map called tree map.
Okay.
So how it will differ, I will see. T map equal to new tree map. So this is the way to create an object for tree map. After that, I want to add an elements.
Okay.
So here instead of L, I have to give T. So then finally I want to display the tree map.
Yeah.
So you got it right. Just I create tree map object, then I add a bunch of elements. After that, I'm trying to display it. See there is an exception called null pointer exception.
Okay.
So why? Because so tree map will not take null as a key.
Okay.
So for the purpose, by considering that point, I'm trying to comment it out. Okay, I'm
Okay.
trying to run again back. So now it is success, right?
Right.
No issues. And now we will see the results. So just for changing purpose, I will add this 12 at the end. Just I'm changing the order.
Okay.
First I added 13, after that 14, after that 12.
Right.
Right? And 14 is duplicated one.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me run again. See, the last one, did you see anything here?
Yeah. Again, it's come to the order.
It's order in sorting,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Key is in sorting. So first I added 13, but it's displaying first as a 12.
Right.
So that is the feature of tree map. So tree map will not take null as a key, and it will display the elements in a sorting order based on key.
Key.
It doesn't care about the value.
Right.
Okay, this is the feature of tree map. Okay, so here we are sorting the elements, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, sorting the element means here whatever the elements we are adding, it must be comparable type.
Right.
Same kind of a set reset.
Right.
Correct. So now in
Yeah.
my case, what I want to do, I want to create a student object here also. So can I copy the student from previous example? The same student we will use so that there is no confusion at all. So this is the student.
Yeah.
I copied the student. I'm going to paste into our class. So this is the student. So student is comparable type.
Right.
Okay. So what I want to do, there is some error. Okay, remove it. That's fine. Okay, now student object I created, and I want to create objects for the student.
Okay.
Okay, that also I will copy from the previous example only. So this is the way to create an object for student. Okay, let me paste it here. Paste it down. Okay. Okay. So I created three students object and I passed different values.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
what I want to do, I want to um, add these three objects to the tree map. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm creating a new tree map object here. So this is clear, right, so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tree map 2. I'm giving the name tmap 2 dot put. So first key I'm giving a s1 and value I'm giving. I can give anything s1 student
Okay.
value. Key is student s1 object. So
Yeah.
like that I want to add three objects. So T2, sorry, S2 and S3, and here I want to give S2 and S3.
Right.
Okay, the third student I added two times.
Okay.
I added third student three times. Okay.
Yeah.
So now let me run it and we'll see the results. TMAP2. Okay. I will comment out all other sysouts so that we will see only this results as an output. Okay, let me run it and we will see what will happen. So did you see there? So first, how many students has added? Student S3. After that, student S1. After that,
Then
student S2. Right? How many
yeah,
students is there here? Basically,
basically three.
3 students. Right? But how many students we added?
We said one duplicate.
So basically here, how many we added? 4, right?
Four student.
4 students we added, and it's displaying only
Three.
3. So basically, it is not taking duplicates.
Yeah.
So S3 we added how many times?
2 times.
2 times, but it is taking only,
One time without duplicate.
sorry, only 1 time. Okay. So say for instance, so here I'm creating S4. I'm creating S4 and I'm giving same value. Values are
Okay.
same, right, for S3 and S4.
Okay.
Okay. Instead of duplicating the S3 three times, I'm creating a separate object and values are same. S3 and S4 having values are same or not?
Okay. Same value.
Values are same. Student age is 27 and name is,
PQR.
so but objects are different but values are
Same.
same. So I'm trying to add S3 and S4. So I added S3 and S4. I created 2 different objects, but 2 different objects having same
Value.
values, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me run it. So now how many objects is there here? S4, S1,
Yes.
S2.
Total four. Yeah. Total
1,
three. Three.
2, 3 is there.
Three is there.
Not 4, 3 is there.
Right. Three is there. So that means one is missing.
One is missing. So what is that missing one, you know?
It should be
So
the
this
last one.
S3 and S3 and S4 having same values. You
And
you mean
values.
it's a duplicate?
Yeah. Duplicate, but the value is same.
Value is same. That's what it is eliminating, right?
Yeah.
So you will not see S3 student. S3 student will be overridden by S4 student.
Okay.
So did you see there? There is no S3 student at all.
Yeah.
S1 is there, S2 is there, but there is no.
So they're taking the latest one, modified one.
Yes, correct. Latest one it will take. Whenever you are trying to add duplicates, it will take latest one.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is one difference between tree map, and when you are trying to add any customization objects, your own objects, it should be of comparable type.
Okay.
And also, did you see? Have you noticed here the display in ascending order?
Yeah.
It is in descending order based on
This
age, 27, 20, and 16.
is
So
18.
why?
Yeah.
Because the implementation, whenever you are trying to override the compare method, it is in
Yeah. This is the reverse order.
reverse order. Correct.
Okay. One my question is that actually, suppose when you want to see the two-string method is overwritten or not, so
Okay.
somehow you can click and go to the library and check it. So can you do that again, please?
For which method?
Suppose You
Two
want to
string.
verify that suppose any method is verified.
Oh,
Okay.
yes, okay.
So then you can go somewhere else and then check that whether it's overwritten.
Yes, correct, correct. We had to see this one.
Okay.
So string class already overridden the toString method. Sorry, not this one. So this is the toString method. It's already
Okay. So
overridden.
okay. So to see these things, first what I had to do, I had to control. So suppose I want to see this, code in the string classes. So from my main map managers, if I want to come here,
Okay.
then what I should click or what I should do to see these things.
Yes. First is whatever class you want to see, that you need to take it out and you need to click control, press and a single click.
Yeah.
Then the controller will take to this class. Then you have to controller O.
Control
Controller press O. You see here.
control plus. Oh, okay.
Then you need to type here which method you want to see. To string.
Okay.
Then select it, click. Then it will take you to that method.
Okay. Now the question is, okay, overwritten. So overwritten. Okay. Oh, you're telling that okay, this is overwritten. So
Yes.
how can I identify that this is overwritten or not? Because I'm not clear about that. Suppose.
If let's suppose if it is not there in this class,
Okay.
then it is not overridden.
Okay, got it, got it. If it is not there, if it is there, then it is overwritten.
Correct.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And now I want to tell you one more thing. Okay. Now, say for instance, let me create another call package called com.collections. Finish it. Okay. So what I want to do here, I want to create a class called collection manager. Collection manager. Finish it. So this is a very simple class. This is a simple class and just I added public static void main. This is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to create a list. List is a interface, right?
Yeah.
Okay. List is a interface and inside the list I'm assigning a array. I'm creating a array list object. This is the first one we saw, right?
Yeah.
Array list object. Okay. For this array list, I want to add a bunch of students.
Okay.
So list dot add. So I want to add so many students objects. Okay. So that student object I will copy from this class.
Okay.
Same students. There is no difference. So let me remove it. Okay. Students object I created. After that, I want to add these 3 or 4 students to the list.
Okay.
Okay. List array list object I created. Then I also created the student objects.
Okay.
So far it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm adding S1, S1 and S2 and S3.
Right.
So I added 3 student object to the list.
Right.
Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to display the list objects. So just
Right.
I'm printing the list. So if I will print the list, so toString is already overridden the student object. So it will display the content, right?
Yep.
Okay, let me run it and we'll see. Okay, now it is fine. So far it is fine, right? So elements is displaying first. Age is 20, 16 and 17. So it's displaying as it is. Whatever order we are adding in the same way. 20, 16 and 17.
Right.
Same order. Why? Because list will provide you indexing. Index means it will provide you the same order, whatever the elements you added in the same order, it will give back.
Right.
Okay. Now my requirement is I want to sort these elements.
Okay.
I want to sort these elements based on
Based on the
age. So
age.
because we already implemented comparable and we are sorting here.
Okay.
Okay, I want to sort based on age in ascending order.
Okay.
So how to sort this one? This list elements. So list don't have any feature of sorting, right?
Right.
So only set we have and map we have. Tree map and hash map.
Okay.
Preset and tree map. So we have two things. So we can able to sort the elements, right?
Okay.
But here in the list there is no such kind of feature to sort the elements. So for the purpose we have another interface called collections.
Okay.
Collections dot, there is a method called sort. So we have to pass the list.
Okay.
So this is an interface. Let me show you. It's not opening. Okay. So this is an interface and there is a method inside that sort. It will take a list as an input.
Okay.
Then you can display the elements. List. Then we will see the results. See, this first we are displaying before sorting and after results is with sorting. Did you
Right.
see the difference?
Yes.
First one,
It's
it's in
is going to the ascending order.
correct. So this is the way to sort the list elements.
Okay.
Say for instance, if you want to sort this in a reversing order. So first you have to provide the list, which list you want to sort it. If in case if you want to sort this in a reverse order, we have to mention this thing, collections dot reverse order.
Right.
Then run it. Now see the difference. Now it's displaying in
Yeah.
reverse
Reverse order.
order.
Yep.
So it is clear, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So far it is clear. And do you have any question for this one?
No, actually, no, I don't have actually. Okay, one thing I have to do. I think so many videos actually, I just go through it and I didn't watch. Watch means that actually I didn't get times, I get
Oh,
a more
okay.
pressure
That's
on
fine.
that.
That's fine. Yeah.
So, okay, let's see. Actually, in the weekend I can finish or not. Then, because I'm in Jam actually. Jam is this so many videos already done. Then I have to
Better
clean.
try to spend some at least some half an hour, so that why I'm telling, at the end, right, you will get so many videos, so that time it's very difficult to see the all the
Yeah,
videos.
yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
Mm,
Actually, I was trying to clear all these things, but
mm,
in the work actually, this that is now our security is very tight. Even I can log into the Gmail. I can log in,
mm.
but it's very very tough.
Yeah, in office we don't log in, don't read anything. I'm
Yeah,
telling, once you
yeah.
reach
So
home.
yeah, when I come home, then I'm sitting with you. Then
uh,
again